Here is the around the world lunge. And it's just like it sounds. We are going to walk around the world of our body. So we're going to go front. We're going to combine the front lunge, side lunge, and the back lunge all together. So here we go. Front lunge, push off at the heel, bring it back to home base. This is always home base, standing like this with your core tight. We're going to go to the side, step out to the side, make sure you push off with your heel. Your body will lean forward, and then you push off back to home base, and then we're going to go backwards, push it off, reverse lunge. All the weight is on the front leg, and you have to feel it in the glutes, and then you're going to use that back leg with the toes to push you back off. Then we're going to go, just like it sounds, back, reverse lunge. Then we're going to go, let me do that again. Then we're going to go back into our reverse lunge on the other side. Use the other leg, side lunge. Remember, chest over, core tight, push back to center, and then back to our frontal lunge. Push off at the heel, back to the center. So this is what it looks like, a little more cohesive. Front lunge, push off, side lunge. Remember, use that heel. Think about using that heel. It activates the glute. Reverse lunge, side lunge, forward lunge. It's going to get your heart rate up, and it's going to work your entire lower body. And that is around the world lunges.